People are changing the world with AI, from drug discovery to chatbots to autonomous machines and beyond. To achieve these breakthroughs, they need more than just AI expertise and development skills. They need an AI factory. A purpose-built AI engine that's always available and can help them build larger, more useful AIs faster. NVIDIA's AI factory, Eos, is the 9th fastest supercomputer in the world on the top 500 list. An extremely large-scale NVIDIA DGX SuperPOD, Eos is where NVIDIA developers create their leading-edge AI innovations. Eos leverages a full-stack architecture consisting of NVIDIA accelerated infrastructure, NVIDIA networking, and NVIDIA AI software in a design that's purpose-built for AI. The NVIDIA DGX H100 systems in Eos, which feature 8 NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPUs each and provide unprecedented performance individually, are linked together with NVIDIA InfiniBand and paired with high-performance storage to create a massive system capable of training generative AI projects at astonishing speeds. Eos has an integrated software stack that includes AI development and deployment software, orchestration and cluster management, accelerated compute, storage, and network libraries, and an operating system optimized for AI workloads. Eos, built from the knowledge gained with prior NVIDIA DGX supercomputers such as Saturn V and Selene, is the latest example of NVIDIA AI expertise in action. Every day, Eos rises to meet the challenges of thousands of NVIDIA's in-house developers doing AI research, helping them solve the previously unsolvable. By creating an AI factory like Eos, enterprises can take on their most demanding projects and achieve their AI aspirations today and into the future.